and welcome to my dark coloring channel for beginners. This video is going to be a flip through of a coloring book by Angela Gonzalez called The Magical Colors of Fairies. This book has been out for a while, but I just discovered it and I wanted to share it with you guys right here on my channel since I haven't seen much being said about this cute little coloring book. So we're going to call this a Throwback Thursday. And I'm just going to bring that's when I bring something old back to share with you guys of a coloring book that I think is worth sharing. First, remember, if you like this type of video, to give it a thumbs up so that I know what kind of videos to bring you guys in the future. If you want to see more dark coloring videos like this one, please subscribe. Subscribing really helps in supporting my channel and gives me the ability to grow my channel and to get my videos seen by as many adult coloring YouTubers as possible. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload more dark coloring videos. Now let's have some fun and get into this flip through. So like I said in the beginning, this book was released sometime a couple years ago, but I'm just now discovering it and it's so cute. So I wonder who else might have missed this one. So I decided to bring it back and show it right here on my channel. And I wanted to share how cute this book is with you guys. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit so you guys can see the full book. So this is the full book. It's not very big. It's a really small book, which also makes it even more cute. And I like it because it's half the size of a normal size book. It's also pretty thick for its size. It's pretty thick. And it has a lot of pages here. The paper is okay. I'm not sure how good the paper is yet because I haven't colored inside of it yet, but I'll let you guys know that. Or if you already colored in this book, let me know what you think of the paper. But feeling it feels like it has some tooth and everything, so there's a lot of tooth in the paper, but it's not thick like cardstock paper. It's kind of thin, so I'm not sure how good this paper is going to be. So we'll see. The book is by Angela Gonzalez and it's called The Magical Colors of Fairies coloring book. And it just has little fairies in it. And it also opens up differently. It opens up from the top instead of this way. Instead of opening up this way, it opens up from the top, which could be a little different, but it can also make coloring a little bit easier. And you might not have to get it spiral like I do. Most of my books I get spiral because the way that it opens and it's hard to color in. So let's go inside and see what the pages look like. Angela Gonzalez, it says, was born in Colombia. Since she was little, she remembers having a very particular taste for drawing and illustrating. Lala studied graphic design and then drawing and oil painting. Lala's talent and perseverance have enabled her to work in fields of illustration and art, where she has captured a colorful, magical, and naive art movement style, playing with her images to represent the most beautiful scenes of her own fairy tales. Colombia has always been Lala's source of inspiration. Its culture, folklore, landscapes, and flowers are reflected in her work. A country that is definitely for her a wonderland. And it just has a cute little frog here and a flower. And then it has a this belong to page with the little fairy on like a mushroom and a little bird. I like the way she draw her bird and her animals. Just looks different. They have like big eyes. And so this is the first page. And again, like I said, the animals always have big eyes. Like the owl eyes are huge. And I guess that's a fox. I'm not sure, but it looks like a fox. Its eyes is huge also. But there's a little fairy here with fruit and leaves and a bunny. So there's a lot of things going on in that picture. She's here on top of a mushroom, a fairy. And this one has a couple of fairies. I just think her drawing is so cute. And I like the fact that the pictures is not too big of a picture. It's, if you want to do something small, you can do something small and just, you know, not take forever to finish coloring it. I like the way she did their hair, how their hair is kind of like sticking up a little bit. It's really cute. And her hair here is just blowing in the wind with a little crown on. And she doesn't look like most fairies look in books. And here's something else. I guess it's a bug, but it has a big old eye. And there's another one. But that's how she does her, I guess that's a butterfly. That's how she does her butterfly and birds and animals. She gives them like these huge eyes, which makes it so cute and wonderful looking. So fairy looking, kind of. There's another page. And here's a page with a frog and a couple of other bugs. I love the way she draws her hair sometimes and the way it's just blowing. And this is her, a fairy with flowers and more bugs. And there's a lot of pages here. So it looks like a strawberry patch. And a boy and a girl fairy. I guess this is the main fairy, the one with the hair. I'm not sure. Look at the bird. The bird, big old eyes. It's totally different type of drawing than most coloring books that I look at or see. I just thought it was pretty cute. And it looks like a great coloring book for beginners because there's not too much going on in it. And it's easy looking. It's not very detailed. So I thought I would share it with you guys. If someone was looking for a new coloring book, I got this coloring book on Amazon. And I can't remember how much it was. I will look up how much it is and put that in the description. How much the book was on Amazon. Because I can't remember right now and I don't want to give you the wrong price. I should have looked it up before I got on here. But totally forgot. And this one, there's a bunny rabbit on her. And this one, she has like I'm not sure if she's hiding under a mushroom or her hair is shaped like a mushroom and her dress looks like that. I'm unsure which one it is, but you tell me what you think it is. Sometimes people interpret different things when they look at pictures. So I interpret things the way I interpret it. Yeah, even her fish has a big eye. There's a snail. And there's a couple of fairies. I guess that's a seahorse. So yeah, I like this book. I'm hoping that the paper is okay. That's the only thing I'm worried about is the paper. Because it's not cardstock paper, I'm a little concerned, but it doesn't feel too thin. So I'm not sure how good it would be on to watercolor pencils in it. It might be too thin for watercolor. But regular pencils, would be fine. And if you wanted to do markers, that would be fine because it's all on one page. There's nothing on the other side. So you just need to put something behind it, and so it won't bleed to the next page. I love how the frog is just sitting there on the back and she's flying on something. Looks like a fly or something. This one, she's sitting inside of a flower. It has a lot of flowers in it. Flowers and leaves and animals. This one, she's riding a bird. They're both riding birds. And her hair is weird again. It's like up in a comb. So this would be another thing where you can practice small faces with. If you wanted to start practicing faces, you could do that on this book. Because eventually, all beginners are going to have to learn how to do faces. You can't avoid it forever. I know you try to avoid it as long as you can because you're afraid to do it. But yeah, this is a good book to just jump on in and try it. Because it's not really a big face, and it doesn't have to be too realistic because they're not that realistic of people. I think she's playing a guitar or something. It's a pretty page. So yeah, it has a lot of pages here. And they're all mostly outside in the flowers with some bugs or something. And I don't know if that's an older fairy or that's a bunny, it looks like. That's a squirrel. I swear all of the animals have big eyes. That's a ladybug with big eyes. And I think she's painting here. She's picking flowers here. Well, her dress is kind of made out of flowers, I think. Yeah, her dress is made out of flowers. Well, this is a cute one. She's in a boat. Real simple and cute. Flying a kite. Picking fruit. I think this is a turtle. Look at that turtle. Wow. If that isn't cute, I don't know what is. She's riding this turtle. Huh. This is nice. She's by the moon. And she has a candle. So yeah, this artist, you can definitely see the difference in her art. In her whimsical art. So you guys tell me what you guys think of this book. I just thought it was so cute. And that it was a great book to share for beginners. This is Snail that's writing. So tell me what you think. Do you think it's a good book for beginners, or would you buy it? Would you try it? Yeah. And so I think this is almost the end page. Or maybe you could take some notes right here. Not sure. Oh, I guess there's a bunch of notes in the back where you could just take notes. For notes. And then there's a little maze in the back. a game. And this one is about colors and about like what colors mean. Yellow means joy, prosperity, abundance, smiles, vitality. So this is what colors mean. Blue means calm, peace, patience, serenity, and truth. More notes page. Dreams that I want to make come true. Another note page. Decorate the landscapes with flowers and joyful animals. So you can also do a little your own drawing here if you're a drawer. That's not me. I am definitely not a drawer. Another notes page. Another notes page. So I think the rest of these are just notes. And then you have your tip pages. Preferably use colored pencil markers work better when drawing small details and decorating with dots and lines. Place a sheet of cardstock behind your page you're going to color, allowing highlighting the colors and making pressure for well diffused areas. Choose a quiet space, good illumination. Take breaks to exercise your hand. Coloring takes you to a wonderful stage of calm and serenity. A magical gift for your soul. Enjoy, learn, and be happy. Aw, well, that was a cute little book. So I definitely enjoyed it when I looked at it, and this is the back of it. It says, discover the fantasies world of fairies through the beautiful illustrations created by Angela Gonzalez. Each page will take you to magical places where you can color flowers, animals, fairies, goblins, fruit trees, a journey through the wonderful universe of nature and its mysterious creatures. The Magical Colors of Fairies has been designed thinking about providing you with a great experience while you enjoy this important and valuable manual activity. You will find a diverse set of activities to develop your imagination and creativities. The fairies are pure color. Aww. And she even has her little nickname in there, Lala. That's cute. So yes, that was the end of this book. She has her name right here too, Lala. And tell me what you guys thought of it. I hope you liked it as much as I did. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be reminded when I upload more things like this. And don't forget to subscribe. Have a colorful day. Thank you for joining me. Bye.